Well, it was some time ago. Alois and myself who were sitting together discussing about the future of Europe in general and the very concrete tasks which we could do in order people to understand how important Europe is for them. And at that moment he said, well, you see, something I'm always very upset about is when I travel with my mobile phone abroad, I'm punished. When I cross a border, I have to pay so much in roaming charges. And that was the beginning of my thinking to bring down the roaming charges. That was the beginning of a policy which has been accepted unanimously by the European Parliament, by the Council of Ministers. That was the beginning of a policy which brought down the voice roaming by 70% and will bring down now from the 1st of July on the roaming of text messages by 70%. So thank you, Alois, for having launched this policy.